How to post tweets automatically on n8n. So to do that, first head over to your n8n workflow and click on this plus icon. Once you're in there, you can just proceed to search for Twitter or search in here for X. You having here this, so let's click on this. You can just choose right here the action that you want. On my case, let's choose this create tweet. And after this, you can see this. Make sure to connect your Twitter or X account using this option by adding your client ID and secret to save the option. Now, once you have connected it, you can just choose your resource, which is tweet. Operation is create. And for this case, you can just choose a fix or expression for this case. You can choose or input data from selected options that you have on the previous nodes. And from in there, you can just execute the steps in order to see if it's working. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.